Now we are going to create an instance for Amazon WAF and Shield, which is a security, identity, and compliance tool available on Amazon Cloud. You can choose this option from the services options. It will help you protect the AWS resources from web exploits and basically DOS attacks and DDoS attacks, distributed denial of service attacks that are ping to ping of death, and different hacking attacks that could harm your traffic and the server. You can initiate that thing. Typically, you have a website or apps that are running over serving a customer base of millions or thousands of customers. And when there is an attack kind of DDoS, there you have a malicious request to your site so that it could crash down, or actual users won't be able to access your site. You have to provide these identities. Here you have to set up the access control lists, a list of access control list. You can define rules that contains conditions. You can provide with IP or malicious IPs that are there. You can choose to remove the bots. You won't want any kind of such traffic to occur. You create this instance. You have to provide a web ACL name, any name, and the CloudWatch metric associated with the region. Then you can create the conditions, the cross-site script matching XSS attack that could be used. You have to prevent that thing. You can choose the geo match conditions, the IP match conditions, SQL injection mechanisms. There are more options for security implementations, but using the WF and Shield would ensure you more security over anything like that. It is cloud, so you need a better protection mechanism and a more advanced thing. You have an option, so you have to leverage this thing. It could be a costly after you have defined everything that you you have to set up. You have to go to the review option. Here we have the firewall manager as well, the application firewall, the physical firewall, network firewall. Here we have the shield. You can go to the monetization option. What services are covered in which option, the DDoS responsible team support, and more. The free tier is free, activated, and the paid option is not activated now for my account. It will charge a heavy amount, 3,000 US dollar per month. If you have an organization, you could use. There is no pay as you go option because it will be running every time. Your traffic may come up or down. It could be scaled, but the security application could not be scaled. So you have to pay the upfront cost. If you have the capability, you could use. Here you can manage various things, string, regular expression matching, and all kind of security implementations.